When it comes to cooking at home, having the right kitchen gadgets on hand can make all the difference. In this video, we will show you to 16 kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it. Let's get started. This comprehensive kit includes coarse and medium grating surfaces for cheeses and veggies, plus straight and julienne slicing surfaces for prepping ingredients. The protective food holder keeps hands safely away from the blades while you slice, allowing for more control. The lid features built-in cup and milliliter markings so you can measure as you grate directly into the container. With their color-coded design, the interchangeable surfaces can be used right over bowls, plates, or cutting boards for quick jobs. Non-slip feet and a comfy grip handle provide stability and leverage. Add a pop of color and keep foods fresh with the Mr. Pen PVC-coated food clips. This 18-piece set comes in a vibrant array of 9 different shades to brighten up your kitchen. Constructed with durable steel cores and PVC coating, these sturdy 2.14 by 1.6-inch clips are built to last. The non-slip grip keeps bags securely sealed for preserving snacks, leftovers, and more. But the uses don't stop there. Versatile enough for laundry, office organizing, crafting, and decor, the Mr. Pen clips make ideal bookmarks, photo displays, wall hangings, and more. Keep your Ninja air fryer clean and cooking healthy with the VAilnd air fryer paper liners. These unbleached, raw wood pulp liners feature a food-grade silicone coating that's BPA-free, PFAs-free, and can withstand heat up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. The pre-shaped 8-inch bowl design fits perfectly in 3 to 5 quart Ninja air fryer baskets and trays with no cutting or measuring required. Simply place a disposable liner in the basket before adding ingredients. It catches drips, splatters, and stuck-on messes for effortless cleaning. Water-resistant yet breathable, these non-stick liners allow air circulation for even crisping without affecting food flavor. Use them for air frying, baking, steaming, microwaving, and more. Never waste a drop of flavorful bacon grease again with the VITEVER Bacon Grease Saver Container. This large-capacity 1.3-liter canister lets you store, filter, and reuse bacon drippings with ease. A fine mesh strainer made of 304 food-grade stainless steel removes even the smallest particles for pure, clarified grease. The strainer fits securely under the lid, allowing grease to drain directly into the canister. Constructed with a durable enamel-coated interior, able to withstand heat up to 530 degrees Fahrenheit, this grease keeper is built to last. The smooth enamel surface is non-reactive and easy to clean. This all-inclusive set equips your kitchen with nested mixing bowls in 5, 3, 2, 1.5, and 0.63 quart sizes for all your cooking needs. Crafted from premium rust-resistant stainless steel with a mirror finish interior and brushed exterior, these durable bowls resist dents and keep their attractive looks over time. The set comes with BPA-free airtight lids that create an optimal seal for food freshness when using the bowls for dry storage. The largest lid even features a removable center for added convenience when grating with the 3 included grater attachments. Prep meals with ease using the Simply Genius plastic cutting boards. This colorful set brings fun and functionality to your kitchen. Made from flexible food-grade plastic, these durable boards are thicker and more sturdy than many competitors. Their bendable design allows you to conveniently funnel chopped ingredients straight into pots and pans. Each multicolor set includes red, blue, green, and orange boards for easy food separation to prevent cross-contamination. The textured surface protects knife blades from dulling prematurely. Chefs rave about these non-porous, odor-resistant boards that are versatile enough for veggies, meats, cheeses, breads, and more. Effortlessly grind fresh seasonings with the Sangcon Automatic Shaker's Mill Grinder Set. This battery-operated salt and pepper mill duo brings new convenience to your kitchen and table. The upgraded design features generously large 184 grams and 100 grams clear acrylic chambers for salt and pepper, allowing you to see when it's time for a refill. The 2.3-inch wide openings make topping up a breeze. With gravity sensing technology, simply flip over the grinder for hassle-free one-handed operation. No buttons or cranking required. An adjustable ceramic knob allows you to set the ideal coarseness for your seasoning preferences, from a fine grind to coarse cracks. This versatile gadget makes coring fruits, veggies, and even baked goods a total breeze. The twin stainless steel blades feature sharp, serrated tips that smoothly slice through apples, pears, bell peppers, cupcakes, and more. Simply push down, the blades open up to release the unwanted core for easy disposal. Built with durable, rust-proof stainless steel, this heavy-duty corer is made to last. The sturdy construction can handle even the toughest produce without bending or breaking. The unique lever design allows the blades to open wide for effortless cleaning. Just rinse or pop in the dishwasher. Effortlessly whip up smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes with the PriorityChef large potato ricer. This kitchen tool takes the elbow grease out of mashing for perfectly creamy results every time. The extra-large 15-ounce capacity hopper with 3mm holes allows you to rice larger batches of potatoes, carrots, turnips, yams, and even baby food with finer output compared to ordinary mashers. Operation is a breeze thanks to the ricer's long, cushioned silicone handles that provide comfortable leverage and non-slip grip as you squeeze. No more achy arms from vigorous mashing. Declutter your kitchen and keep essentials neatly organized with the HapiRm Multifunctional Sink Caddy. This stylish stainless steel caddy features 3 spacious compartments perfectly sized for dish brushes, soap bottles, sponges, sink stoppers, and more. Measuring 7.7 by 5.31 by 3.94 inches, the compact design maximizes countertop space while providing ample storage. A removable plastic drain tray at the bottom collects excess water for easy cleaning. A hollow design allows air to circulate, preventing damp sponges and promoting a healthier, fresher kitchen. Non-slip rubber feet ensure stability and prevent sliding on countertops. Upgrade your fridge and kitchen with the ultra-versatile Aiosscd washable refrigerator pads. This 15-pack of premium EVA foam liners is the perfect solution for keeping things fresh, clean, and stylish. Made from SGS-approved, BPA-free, and odor-free material, these pads are completely safe for contact with food. Yet their multitude of uses extends far beyond just lining your fridge shelves. Use them as cabinet, drawer, or shelf liners throughout your kitchen and home. Or deploy them as placemats, coasters, desk pads, virtually anywhere you need a protective, cushioned surface. Packed with a 400-watt DC motor, this sleek mixer delivers serious mixing muscle while operating at a hushed 60 decibels, ensuring a quiet, peaceful kitchen. With 9 precise speed settings at your fingertips, you'll have ultimate control for any recipe. Start slow on speed 1 to mix thick doughs and chunky ingredients, or crank it up to 9 for perfectly whipped egg whites, creams, and more. The built-in torque provides enough oomph to power through even the stiffest batters. But sheer power isn't all. The Yomelo mixer also prioritizes precision. The soft start tech gradually increases speed to prevent unsightly splatters, while the ergonomic soft grip handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip throughout mixing. Never let your coffee turn cold again with the VOBAGA mug warmer. This ingenious little device keeps your favorite brew at the perfect sipping temperature all day long. With just a tap, you can select from 3 precise heat settings: 140 degrees, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, or 149 degrees Fahrenheit, to suit your personal preference. Whether you like it piping hot or just warmish, the VOBAGA has you covered. Safety is also a top priority. An automatic 4-hour shutoff prevents energy waste if you forget about it. And a blinking red light indicates when the heated plate is too warm to touch, automatically cooling down to a safe 97 degrees Celsius. Made with high-quality soft silicone and 420J2 stainless steel blades, these durable peelers are built to withstand daily use without rusting, wearing down, or fading. But what really sets them apart is the innovative ergonomic design. A finger cot allows the peeler to fit snugly in your palm for a secure, comfortable grip while peeling fruits and veggies. This space-saving shape is ideal for any kitchen. From potatoes and carrots to citrus and tomatoes, the sharp blades make quick work of peeling virtually any produce. The compact size tucks neatly into drawers and holders too. This heavy-duty set is crafted from single-piece stainless steel for exceptional durability that won't rust, bend, or wear down over time. But it's the ingenious magnetic design that really makes this set stand out. Each spoon clings together when nested, allowing you to grab just the size you need without fussing with attachment rings. They even feature dual US and metric measurements that are deeply engraved to resist fading. These double-sided spoons are built for maximum versatility too. The narrow oval ends easily fit into spice jars for pinpoint measuring and less waste of pricey seasonings, while the round ends are perfect for liquids, laying flat on the counter without messy spills. This kitchen tool features an improved shredding structure with sturdy plastic teeth that grip ingredients for even shredding. An anti-slip strip base keeps it securely in place on countertops. The transparent lid with spike edges helps gather shredded foods into the center as you crank the ergonomic handle. The sleek, flower-inspired design adds a touch of style to your meal prep. Constructed with food-grade, BPA-free materials that can withstand heat up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. This durable shredder is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A brush is included for hand washing as well.